What's up, everybody? It's Alex. Today we're going to go over an update from yesterday. Okay, so once again, the plan does not change. You'll see the market drop 34 points after hours, and then actually what happens, it recovers. So what happens? Every time we get to this 35.43 level, they're buying the hell out of this dip. Okay, but guess what happened the last time they kept buying that same dip? Okay, look at this level. Buy that dip, breakthrough finally. Okay, so they keep holding the damn thing up. Okay, but nothing is moving up on strong volume, and so the process does not change. Nothing changes here. Okay, you're still moving up on low volume. You still got support on VIX, support on dollar, and when you got support on VIX and support on dollar, there's absolutely nothing to be bullish about, guys. There's nothing to be bullish about here. The only thing is the timing is making day trading hard here. Okay, so what I recommend to you is when you time these moves, is to cash out. Okay, because they're gonna usually just buy the dip typically, or at least lately. Okay, so finally, once we can break below this 35.43 level, that's going to be great. So obviously you can try to anticipate, but let's say you short it and it gets back down to 35.43, sell at least half. Okay, do that, collect your profits because they keep buying the damn dip. Okay, so overall, like I said, the process does not change. The overall conclusion does not change, right? I will restate again, and I will restate as many times as I need to. Okay, dollar at support, VIX at support, guys. When those two things are at support, you absolutely have no reason to be bullish on the market. So here's another thing that adds so much power to your shorts. This is why you don't want to be a bull currently. Okay, let's say you short something and then it goes up. Let's say you short the S&P 500 at this top level, 35.82 today, and it goes up like 5 points. Oh shit, 5 points gonna hurt you? It's really not gonna hurt you, guys. The point is, what I'm trying to get here is there's such limited upside here that, okay, you get burned on a short, it's gonna be like 5 fucking points. What is that gonna do to you? You see what I'm saying? But on the way down, you're actually looking down. It's a cliff, guys. It's a cliff, and you're looking down, and there's a lot of meat. Okay, so you know, once again, the timing is just not there. It's so hard to time this current market, right? It's just all over the place. But once again, as long as we have support in on the VIX and the dollar, our stance remains the same. Okay, so you got to trust in the process. The timing is off, but okay, so ultimately going into the day, right, we're still bearish. Keep that in mind. And so you don't even have to be bearish at this point, but just don't be bullish, right? I mean, that's the main thing here. You don't want to be bullish because there's no real reason to be, right? Until some crazy news catalyst comes out that would really shift the market. There's nothing here. All right, there's no reason to be bullish, and for that reason, we continue to short top levels, key resistance levels, and so even when you lose on a key resistance level, the upside's so limited, but your downside is huge, and that's where that risk to reward comes in, and that's what makes sure that your wins are going to be much greater than your losses, and that's how you can lose multiple trades and still be in, even with bad timing here, right? So nobody is perfect with time. It's just not even possible with day trading when trying to figure out exactly when the market's going to reverse and whatnot. But ultimately, when you do time it, even if you get it right once out of 3 times on the exact timing, hey, that 1 out of 3 times is going to add up to be way more profits than the 2 times you cut a loss on your timing being wrong. Okay, so guys, I hope this makes sense. Let me know if you got any questions. We've got no direct trades planned yet because there's just not much going on. Why would I make any trades if there's not much going on currently? Everything's moving on super stagnant, super weak volume. There's, once again, not much to go off of. And I would take today off, but I want to help you guys. Okay, so we'll be back in the comments as the day progresses, as we get more data, as we start to see how things are actually moving, what's actually going on. We'll probably keep you up to date with any trade that comes to mind there. Okay, but with that being said, this is the plan for today. Don't step out of place. Make sure you stay in your own shoes and don't be an idiot. All right, that's the main thing here. Don't be an idiot. All right, so guys, that's the plan. We'll see you guys in the next video. Drop a like if you haven't. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not. You can click the link below in the description if you want to be updated on our trade plan. Okay, today we're not going to send an email out for the trade plan. I just want to do it in the comment section today, all right, because you guys might actually have something there. And so overall, it can be a collective, effort today. Everyone, all the champs, kind of come together and help each other out on this hard day of trading. Okay, so once again, not every day is perfect, but all you can do is your best and do what's there, right? Don't force anything. Okay, and that's what we're doing. We're not forcing anything here. We'll be patient and we'll take our losses if we need to, because we know that the win is going to be much greater than the losses here. So short losses, big wins, big gains, right? And that's the plan going into today. Overall stagnant market, but we'll be ready and we'll adjust. All right, so that's the plan. Let me know if you got any questions. Drop a like if you haven't, and we'll see you guys on the next video.